This video will show the construction of a cavity separating wall using aircrete blockwork from H+H. The cavity of the separating wall needs to be continuous from at least 225mm below the underside of the floor construction right up to roof level. Any type of ground floor construction can be used as long as it is not continuous between dwellings. Here we see a beam and block floor being constructed on our foundations using concrete beams and Celcon blocks. Onto the separating wall. We start by installing 100mm of damp-proof course each side of the cavity. This is set into a bed of mortar. Aircrete can be used for a variety of purposes, including party walls, meaning the same block can be used across the site. Using aircrete for separating walls can also meet many robust details which offer the opportunity of higher performance without having to carry out an on-site test to confirm compliance with building regulations. Because aircrete is lightweight, transportation and handling on site is simple. Acoustic insulation is added into the cavity either as work proceeds, as shown, or retrospectively blown in later. The insulation is generally a mineral wool type, and rigid insulation boards should not be used. The cavity width should be a minimum of 75mm, but if working to specific robust details, then may need to be 100mm. The different robust details are essentially the same, but can vary in the minimum cavity width, brand of insulation, and internal finish required. Cavity wall ties are included at 2.5 per square metre and staggered to the previous ties. The ties must be type A and approved for use in party walls. Not all external wall ties can be used in separating walls, as their stiffness can result in excessive sound transmission. Continue to build the walls, adding insulation and cavity ties after every second course until you reach ceiling height. To limit sound being transferred through the external cavity and to prevent the spread of fire and smoke, a cavity barrier is added at the ends of the party wall.